I will discuss and explain about transaction processing system. So a transaction processing system is a computerized system that perform and record the daily routine transaction necessary to conduct the business they deserve organization operation level. So how transaction processing system works? First, it performs records or the record daily routine transaction. Then it monitors status of operation and relation with external environment. Then serve as an operational levels and a predefined system structured goals and decision making. So here are some features of a transaction processing system. So first, it is fast performance, continuous availability, data integrity, and modular growth. So some are examples of transaction processing systems are sales order entry, online payment, manufacturing and shipping. So that are the online order shipping and the flight reservation, employee records, and the payroll. So there are two ways to process a transaction. So first is the batch processing. It is a processing of transactions in a group or batch, or it can be carried out of any time. It is a particularly suited to end of a cycle processing. So an example of a batch processing is the payroll. Then the second is the real-time processing. So the real-time processing, it involves continuous input, process, and output of data. Hence, it processes in a short period of time. An example of this is the flight and the airline reservation. So the second topic that I am going to discuss and explain is the decision support system. A decision support system is an interactive information system consisting of hardware, software, data, models design, and support the decision-making process in organizations. So the requirements of a decision support system is be interactive, incorporate the human element, use internal and external data, including models, and support decision makers. A model base includes mathematical and statistical models that along with the database enable a DSS to analyze information. An interface is the user's interface component on how a user accesses the DSS, such as when querying the database or model base for help in making decisions. And DSS also include the following types or features to support a decision making. The what if. What if is this analysis shows the effect of a change in one variable. Second is the goal seeking. This is the reverse of what if analysis. If ask what has to be done to achieve in a particular goal. And the third is the sensitivity. This enable you to apply different variables such as determining the maximum price you could pay for a raw materials and still make a profit. Then these are some of the benefits of a DSS or a decision support system. First is risk assessment and performance analysis. It is now easily performed through a decision support software. Second is the time saving through using a computerized system in accessing necessary data. Third is the cost reduction. It decreases labor costs through the presence of a DSS. So the third topic that I am going to discuss and explain is the management information system. A management information system is an organized integration of a hardware and software technologies, data, process, and human elements. hardware. So the hardware is a component include input, output, and the memory devices and vary depending on the application and the organization. Then the software is the management information software can include commercial programs, software developed in-house or both. The application or organization determines the type of software used. Then the processes are usually methods for performing a task in an MIS application. Then the human elements is the human element includes user, programmers, system analysts, and other technical personnel. Then the objectives is designing an MIS. The first task is to clearly define the system objectives. Then a data is the or second data must be collected and analyzed. Then finally information must be provided in a useful format for decision making processes.